Hey, what is up guys? John from Magic Tech Review. In today's video, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the Schok Freedom Turbo XL. So this phone right here is a bigger screen device. It is an all-in-one bundle, so really excited. Shout out to Schok for sending this to me. We're going to go ahead and break out the big old tripod, get this thing out on the MTR Tech Laboratory bench right here. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video. Go ahead and leave a like if you enjoy the content. Go ahead and subscribe to become part of the Magic Tech Review family. And comment down below what you think about this device or any other video you'd like to see. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Before we go ahead and start with this one, I want to show you guys that I do have two other devices to unbox as well on the channel. So stay tuned. Please click that bell to go ahead and get notified of all these devices that are coming to the channel. So let's go ahead and get started with the Freedom Turbo XL. There is a lot to cover, guys, because this bundle, there is a lot of stuff that's coming in this bundle right here. Schok, great display, dual cameras, and all in one bundle. So you do get the wall charger, you do get the tempered glass screen protector, you do get 4 colorful back covers, premium case protector, extra long 5-foot USB cable. You do get the headphones with hands-free, and you do get the card desk magnet holder. So that's really a lot of cool stuff. Have not seen anything like this in the industry, so good on Schok Mobile or Schok for go ahead and creating this product basically. So I'm going to go ahead and just read over the specs real quick. Not going to bore you guys too much with this. So this is going to be just basically a raw unboxing, see what you get in the box. We're going to turn it on real quick, power it on, and take it to the home screen, and then we're just going to go ahead and I'm going to do the review later. So it does come with the edge-to-edge 5.7-inch HD display. You got your 13 megapixel rear camera with a 0.3 megapixel. You got your front selfie camera, 8 megapixel, really nice. Fast fingerprint sensor. You got your quad-core 1.3 gigahertz, 2 graphic processing units. You got your 2 gigabytes of RAM, 16 gigabytes of memory, expandable up to 144 gigabytes via SD card, and you do have 8.1 running outside the box, so that is nice. It is VR ready, as you can see right there. So then there's a lot more, a lot more stuff here on the back. So if you want to go ahead and pause right there, I'm just going to go ahead and kind of glance over it real quick. I do see that it has a 2.5D arch edge-to-edge tempered dragon trail glass, so that's pretty cool right there. And they do give you a hardened tempered glass screen protector as well. Really nice that they do include that. So really cool product. I have talked to the CEO personally, so really cool guy as well. And then these are the companies that this thing does go with right there. It's AT&T, GoPhone, H2O, Net10, Simple Mobile, T-Mobile right there. So you do have your carrier support right there. It is not CDMA compatible, it says right there. So this is GSM based only. Basically, it does support 3G, 4G LTE, and voice and text. So really nice, guys. And you can find this at Target, I believe, maybe other Walmarts, Kmarts, stuff like that, Best Buys. I'm not sure exactly when and where this product will be available. Obviously it's going to change from time to time, and I'm hoping that Schok is going to be, one of the big industry hitters in the market. So let me go ahead and show you what this bundle actually looks like once you take it outside the box, guys. So there is your card dash mount thing right there. Nice. I like how they have everything nice and branded, nice and pretty looking right there. You get your 5-foot cable. You usually get like a little 3-foot cable, so no dinky cables here. You actually get a nice 5-foot cable right there. Micro USB, not USB Type C, but either way, micro USB is fine. You do get your cables. You do get a headphone jack. Sorry, guys. So you do get, not a headphone jack. You do get headphones, which I will be testing out on the channel. They look nice. Definitely have a nice look to them and feel to them. So hopefully these will be pretty cool. You get your instructions, user manual, and you get your warranty policy right there. So a lot of people don't read this. I'm going to just skim over this after I'm done here with the video, just to see what it says right there. You do get your wall charger right there. So nice little wall wart right there. Bang. Nice, nice. And it says pre-release sample. Serial number 9 may be different from box. There you go there. Let's go ahead and take a look at the actual cases you get. You do get a nice yellow one with a Schok. I like the grip on this one. You get a red one as well, and I do like the striations, the rigid pattern right there, or the red pattern right there. And you do get the blue one, so you can basically color coordinate your phone. Have not seen this really in any other models or devices that you can actually get in stores. So this is really, really cool, really compelling, and really, really innovative. Basically, this type of stuff is coming now, and I'm pretty sure that lots and lots of other companies are probably going to follow suit on this right here. And you do get this glass screen protector right here included, so be careful, guys, when you do buy this phone. It is right under the phone, so don't, just because you can break it if you're pulling too hard and you're just kind of being rough with it. So just remember, guys, this does come in a nice foam thing right here, nice foam padding, and you do get a nice sticker right there, so you can actually customer service desk with the support email and a phone number right there. So this is pretty cool. I'm going to go ahead and put this on my fridge, so you always have customer care right there. Nice sticker as well. So that's going to be pretty cool as well. And let's go ahead and take a look at the device itself real quick. Actually, let me go ahead and clear this all out, and then we'll go ahead and take a look. Okay, so now when you actually get the phone, this is what it's going to look like. This is when you actually pull it right out the box. This nice case right here is actually put on there for you. So I do like the case. It's not really big, not really bulky, but it is clear. I like it because you can actually see the Schok branding right there. I really like their choice of branding. The power button right there, the Schok. So let's go ahead and take a look right there. Obviously the call's out right there. And let's go ahead, and I'm going to go ahead and restart the phone so you guys can see how the phone starts up. Oh, look at that. The Schok Mobile. Schok. I keep wanting to say Schok Mobile. Maybe they should change the brand to Schok Mobile, huh? So it says powered by Android right there. And that's basically how she starts. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the battery. It is a 3,000 milliamp battery, guys. And that's how you take off the back right there. You do have a nano SIM card slot right there. And then you do have a micro SIM card slot right there. And then you have your SD card slot right there. And this is a 3,000 milliamp battery that is removable. So that is something that's not really, seen in the industry that much anymore. But I do like the fact that it is removable. You got your fingerprint sensor right there, fingerprint magnet, but obviously they give you a case, so no big deal. You just wipe your back down, and then and the other ones are ribbed, so you will not get the fingerprint. I like the black look. I might change with the red look here later. You do get your 2 cameras right there. You get your headphone jack right there. You do get your micro USB port right there. You get your speaker down there. You get your microphone right there. And let's go ahead and just jump right through this thing real quick. Let's go ahead and skip this right here. And Little John is just so excited about this. So yeah, hey, he wants to be included in the video. It's alright. Alright, so let's just go ahead and skip. So wifey, what's your first impression? You like the phone? You want it? Oh, she left. I was trying to get her opinion, but yeah, 5.7-inch display, edge-to-edge display, really, really nice. So let's go ahead and take a gander right here at the home screen. So this is the home screen right there. You do get your Google stuff on the left-hand side. You can open the phone right there. So this is the home screen right there. I'm not going to really take a look too hard at this phone right now. Like I said, this is just a raw unboxing to see what you actually get inside the phone. I'm going to go ahead and go through it and look at different stuff that I can see and whatever. Let's just go ahead and see what the dialer looks like, because Little John is just too crunk for this video right now. But thank you guys for watching. This has been John from Magic Tech Review. If you have any comments you want, anything you want me to look at, anything in particular you want me to see, but for this Schok Freedom Turbo XL, I mean, this device is pretty cool, you know what I'm saying, and it's unlocked, takes 2 SIM cards. I mean, I think this is a really compelling device to actually bring to the industry. and all the stuff that you get inside of it. You know, I believe this thing is about $200, maybe $180. I think it's a really good value thus far. You know, obviously it's a 16 gigabyte model, it's not 32 gigabytes. So maybe maybe the memory could have been bumped up just a little bit. Other than that, though, I'm really digging the device. So far, just from what I'm seeing right now, basically just from what I'm seeing. You know, I haven't gotten into the settings and haven't dug into it yet, but we're gonna go ahead and do that as well, guys, on the channel. So more to stay tuned, guys. Please go ahead and hit that like button if you do like new content and new phones. And yeah, guys, this has been John from Magic Tech Review. Peace out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. What is up, guys? John from Magic Tech Review, and in today's video we're going to take this. What?